associated with the acquisition of a building that will be demolished may be associated with the demolition and are capitalized into the land. So if you have to move tenants out of a building to be demolished, that's not going into building basis. That's a cost of getting the property, the land, ready for the new building.
Another area where I've seen people just classify it as relocation costs in new construction as opposed to, like I said, in the wrong bucket, wrong column.
Okay, so moving on to page C10, we're talking about tenant relocation costs. If an existing tenant is not income qualified and the owner wants to move the tenant out of the unit permanently, then the costs of relocating that tenant are expensed. So do you want to, do you have a tip on this, or what?
Yeah, no, it's something that I was trying to point out. I think it's a good thing to point out here, is why we highlighted it, is that the IRS standpoint that you're moving a tenant out, it's considered ordinary necessary expense under 162 as opposed to moving the tenant out to rehab it. They're looking at it that cost is an ordinary expense getting somebody who doesn't qualify so they can get a qualified tenant in. One takeaway I would bring up on that point is if you're working on a deal, and you're acquiring a deal, I should say, and you know there happens to be a tenant in the building which is qualifying, and you want to, then you know you're going to relocate it.